For how long?
Like for the since November last year. Today's Thursday.
Yeah.
I last saw him on Monday.
On Monday.
Yeah.
Monday morning.
Monday morning.
Doing what?
When he was packing, you know. At first, he packed for the two children, the daughter and the son.
You okay?
Those ones, I understand they went to UK, where their mother is.
They went before Monday. They went early or no?
They went very early in the morning on Monday.
Okay.
So now, this man Mayinja left at around 11 and went.
Okay.
But one of his people there, one of those workers, when I tried to inquire from them, they told me that man went to US.
Okay. So they are renovating the house.
They are renovating the house. There's a Nigerian man who has rented like for 6 years.
Hey, how did you get this information?
He has been with us looking for the tenant, but he was telling us he wants somebody who can at least give him like for 1 full year. But now, fortunately, he got somebody who gave him 6 years.
6 years.
And he was very happy for that, and he disappeared.
So you think he's going to be in the USA for 6 years?
I think so. Because the rumors coming is that this man was just somebody was demanding him, and so he tried to look for the money to pay back what that person was demanding, and he couldn't get it. So when he got this man, I think he said no. Then again,
start a new life.
Start a new life in US.
Aren't you going to miss him?
Very much.
How has he been to you?
Actually, he's not a bad neighbor. I can say he's not a bad neighbor. He has been so social to me or to the neighbors, because in most cases he comes out and we chat. Yeah.
Okay. So you're going to miss him, miss his music,
like his music in particular. We are going to miss him, like Kadongo Kamu. The Kadongo Kamu guys are going to miss him so much, and I'm among the guys who like Kadongo Kamu.
Have you ever entered his room, his house?
Have I ever entered?
The house is too big.
Too big. Too big.
How did you saw his wife?
No, with that one I cannot lie you, because I came here, I got him when he was just alone with his children.
Hey, the wife wasn't there.
Somebody told me that the wife left like 2 years ago. 2 years ago.
Okay. So he has been just taking care of the kids.
The kids, yeah. He was having the maid and then the kids.
Okay. So what message do you have for him?
Anyway, I wish him success in wherever he has gone. Let God bless him, because actually he should not forget his talent of the music.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know you're now living a miserable life because you're now seated alone here.
Very miserable, very miserable. But sometimes when he's also inside there, like alone, he comes out and we have a conversation. But now you can see how I'm alone,
So did he tell you about that date he had?
No, somebody just this morning somebody gave me that, just part of that. Like the person was trying to bring rumors to me. Or that is what they are getting from social media.
Okay.
You know, this is what is coming from the social media. Actually, he had dates.
He had dates. You knew it.
No, this person told him, but me, I know nothing about those dates.
But you've been seeing him the way you've been seeing him.
Yeah, actually, the way he was very, you know, having that hard life. The life was very hard to live. For the last, let me say, 7 months that I've been with him, the life was very, very hard. Very hard.
In which way?
Financially was facing that financial problem. Yeah.
But he has now got the money. 6 years.
So he's now
enjoying life.
He has gone to enjoy life.
So you're happy for him?
I don't know, you know, the man's downfall is not the end of him. No? Yeah.
So you're waiting for him after 6 years when he comes back?
I don't think whether he's going to stay there for 6 years, I can't tell. Because, you know, he has gone, he didn't leave me any message. But I know sometimes he will be coming back. Home is home.
So when he was going, he didn't tell you?
I was, I was busy inside. I was cleaning, doing some few small work inside. But I only saw him from up. When actually there's a small drone that came and picked him to these things.
Okay.
In the morning, there was a big lorry which that came in the morning, loaded these things, and went and took the things, came back and organized himself and also went.
With the drone?
Omuzadde nkwanjulira amasomero agegulidde erinnya mu kugunjula n'okubangula abayizi ku mutendera gwa nursery, primary ne secondary ye Hope Junior School ne Hope Integrated Secondary School agasangibwa ekyetume mu district y'e Lwengo ku Lwembalala. Hope Junior School tutwala abaana okuva ku baby class okoma ku kyomusanvu, ate ku Hope Integrated Secondary School tulina one A level nga tusomesa n'ebyemikono mu kadde kano okuwandiika abayizi kugenda mu maaso okuva ku siniya esooka okoma ku yokutaano, era ng'abaana basukkuluma ku bannaabwe mu nkola y'omu kibiina kwoteeka ne baamulekwa baweebwa bursaries. Essimu tuli ku 0703 145 230 ne 0779 703 575.
Abakisoboka Furniture Center beba kabaka mu kutunda n'okukola sofa sets ez'enjawulo omuli ebikanga, German beds, tiles, bakola wardrobes, sideboards, office ne school decors, kosa dining tables. Gwali okumpi n'ewala tukola deliveries n'ogaba discounts ku buli kyogula, kosa n'okusomesa abayizi. Tusange ku Entebbe Road ezana mu Kiko oba tukubireko ku Note 7 Note 4 37 0379 oba ku WhatsApp yaffe Note 782 31 88 kisoboka Furniture.
You don't know champion. Don't respect you don't know, sir. I come to represent. Hey. Yo, back on the next year. That one do you Hey. Hey. Omanya no chali ono muganda wange brother. Shidi. Mambo plan. Boli yako. Hey. Nileka. Where's that? Sana bomba kwa wenge mayo. Hey, select yo. Me fans them there. Watch it them umatira wale. Amajala them ujagala. Oman wakuwai. Ensonga watch it them umatira. So me respect the general and how we come from. Sure. And we go back a long way with him. See? Him know me sufferer. Him know Butcher man a hustler. So him know say Butcher man where him come from the gate to the top. Yeah man, I big up for yourself. You don't know me. I'm proud that you're living your real life.